A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. So here is the cylinder. And it is surmounted by a conical top. So this is the cone on the top. Now we'll fill in the dimensions of each. If the height of and the diameter of the cylindrical part is 2.1, so the height here is of the cylindrical part is given as 2.1 and the diameter is given as 4, so which means the radius is 2. So of the cylinder, the height is 2.1 meters, the diameter is given as 4 meters, so the radius becomes 2 meters. The slant height of the cone is 2.8. So they made things easier for us here. They're giving the slant height of this cone as 2.8 meters. And however, we know the radius of this cone is the same as the radius of the cylinder. So the radius is also 2 centimeters. So we have the dimensions of cone here and we have the dimensions of the cylinder. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. So if we want to make the tent, we need to find this, the CSA of the cone, this entire CSA of the cone here, which is equal to, we know, pi RL, and then we need to find the CSA of this cylinder too. The CSA of the cylinder, and the CSA of cylinder, we know we don't require the total surface area of the cylinder, only the CSA, that is 2 pi RH. Then we add up both these quantities and we get the total TSA that we require. So again I repeat, the TSA, we need this, which is equal to 2 pi RH, and then we require this part of the cone, which is pi RL. And here if you see, we can take things common out. We can take pi R common out. So we do that. We take pi R common out, 2H plus L. Now pi into, we see that we know that the R is here 2, the height of the cylinder is 2.1 and the L of the cone is 2.8. 22 over 7 into 2 into this becomes 4.2 plus 2.8, and you do this calculation, you get 44 meters square. So we require a canvas, area of canvas required is 44 meters square. Now if we want to buy the canvas, we must know the rate of the canvas, right? And they said the rate of the canvas, in the sum, the rate of the canvas is rupees 500 per meter square. So the cost will be equal to area of the canvas into the rate. So we know the area here is 44, this is 44, and our rate we know is 500 per meter square. So when we multiply that, the answer will come 22,000 rupees.